Good morning. Welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill. It's really gray and it's making my eyes want to just go night-night. Walking in Circles is about reaching your goals one step at a time, 1/4 mile at a time. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I want to just give you a little piece of encouragement, something I've been trying to implement in my own life. Because you know when I'm talking to you, I'm talking to me. You know that, right? Okay, so here's the thing. If you have the tendency to have all or nothing thinking, raise your hand. I'm pretty good at all or nothing. I'll just illustrate it just on the very basic non-thinking level. I go from hot to cold so fast, and I've been this way my entire life. So when I get hot, I turn the let's say we're in the car. If I get hot, I turn the air conditioner on 100% blast. If I get cold, I turn the heat on 100% blast. My husband, for our entire married life and our dating life, was like, can we just turn it down a degree? Can we just turn it up a degree? Seriously, why do we have to go all the way to the extremes? Anyway, that gives you a little glimpse into how I deal with temperature change. But it also kind of illustrates the all or nothing thinking. It's either 100% or it's 0%. So something I'm implementing, and okay, how cool is that we have a rooster 3 doors down? The cool thing about this rooster is he doesn't wake up until like 8:30. Okay, so as I was saying, if you have a goal that you're trying to reach and maybe it seems huge, the key is really to see it, to envision it, see yourself there, and use your brain to decide on the steps that will get you there. And if you have the tendency to do all or nothing, 0% or 100%, then try this. What will get me 10% closer to my goal? Just 10%. And then can I celebrate that? Or if you are ambitious, can you get 20% closer to your goal or 30% closer to your goal in a week, and then celebrate that? Because the thing is, the next week you do another 10 to 30% increase, and you are seriously making strides toward your goal. So think about that. Think about a habit you're trying to stop, or a habit you're trying to implement, and just brainstorm what would put me 10% closer. It's really all boils down to the next step. What's the next step? And can I celebrate just one step? Can I turn the temperature knob down just a degree? And sit with it and see if that does it. Yeah, I don't know about that, but that's my insight for today. I recently heard someone speak on this about just trying to make a percentage increase or decrease away from a bad habit and toward a good habit, and I thought, I really need to do that. I really need to put it in the numbers and celebrate when I make the forward progress. I know, exactly. I love these birds. They're so funny. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Walking in Circles is about reaching your goals. So number 1, have a goal. Number 2, see yourself there. And number 3, use your brain to come up with steps, and then check the steps off one at a time. And if it helps you to put a percentage to it, like it did my brain was like, I really like that idea. I really like Because, like, let's say I have a habit that I want to get rid of. So in my mind, I want to be gone with the habit 100%. And if it's not gone 100%, then forget it. Can we just reduce the habit by 20%? Can we do that? And then we only have 80% more to go. And so even though I'm not like, I don't really love a whole lot of math in my life, but it really, it's starting to rain, oh Lord. It really did sit with me well. And I loved the thought of, okay, how can I break this bad habit into percentages? And how can I visibly see progress? And that's what I want to share with you today. So this is Heidi Gammill with Nest Pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm having so much fun. Number one, life coaching, like getting on the phone, on Zoom, having an hour conversation and talking about the things that are most important to my clients. So much fun. I'm also offering closet coaching, which is a combination of life coaching and closet organization. Like, if you are just so tired of the conversation in your head about your closet every morning and you just want to cross it off your list finally, again, just raise your hand. Let's talk about it. It starts with a conversation. You can read all about Nest Pretty in the book. You can get on Amazon. And if you just want to have a conversation, I'm available. Just send me a message, DM me. We'll figure out when we can do it. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope the sun is shining somewhere for, look at me, I always look at the garbage. Oh my goodness, I cannot help it. All my secrets come out. I'm walking in circles. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.